Hey, Miss Ring, I completed my math test. Good, but did you show your work? Oh, it looks like I didn't. Sounds like a 0 for you, young lady.
8.46.
Always show your work.
Okay, we have a formula, and the formula that we need is z equals x minus mu over sigma. Okay, so this is a standardized score. And I'm going to highlight Z and standardized, that's why it's Z. Our X is our observed value, whatever they give us, observed value. Okay, this is the mean, and this one is the mean of the sample. We've been talking about note. We were saying that the mean of a population would have been X bar, population mean. And then down here is the, let's get my color. This is the standard deviation. Of the mean. And basically we're just going to use algebra to solve. Always, say it, always write down the formula. So z equals x minus the mean over the standard deviation. Just plug and chug. Find z, so that's what we're trying to find. What is z? This is what we're trying to solve for. The observed value, x is 24, minus the mean, so 19, over the standard deviation. So this would give us a z-score of 24 minus 9 is 5, and then 5 divided by 3.8 gives me, go around to the nearest thousands, we'll be fine, 3 decimal places. It was 3.157. Okay. Alright, tells you in the directions, find the z-score for the standard normal distribution. Skip one problem, so go ahead and take one problem, just put an X through it, and then we'll go over those together. Alright, let's go ahead and put our formula down. I know it's your favorite, here it comes. Magic! Magic! Alright. Okay, it's telling us that the mean standard deviation is 9.8. And our expected value, our given value, observed value, I mixed up the colors, didn't I? Sorry. The observed value, let's do that from the formula above, is 55.4, that's the top part of the fraction, and then the mean of the sample is 68.34, and it's okay to get a negative number. Put that into my calculator. Don't do it all at once. 55.4 minus 68.34. Press equals. You get negative 12.94. Don't touch anything on the calculator. Press divided by 9.8. And I get a z-score of negative 1.32. So box your answer. Okay if you get a negative z-score. We'll talk about using a table in the next lesson, but let's finish up these problems. We're still trying to find the z-score, and our observed value is 42.8. And then our mean is 68.2 over our standard deviation. And our standard deviation is 11.8. 11.6. And let's get a z-score. 4280 minus 68.2 gives me negative 25.4. Negative 25.4 divided by 11.6 will give me negative 2.19. A standardized score of negative 2.19. And let's try question number 10. The standard deviation is 11.6. The observed value is 119.2. And the mean is minus 112.4. Let's put that in and see what we get for our z-score. 119.2 minus 112.4, 6.8, divided by 11.6. I rounded. More numbers the better, but that's okay, that's sufficient.
I love math, so I'm here to remind, not to write in ink, but use pencil, because everyone makes mistakes, and everyone has those days. You know what I'm talking about? So yeah, don't write in ink.